Imagine having instant access to cool air, no matter where you are in your home. Say goodbye to sweltering heat and hello to a comfortable living space. This portable air conditioner is not just a piece of equipment. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to stay cool and calm, regardless of the temperature outside. One of the standout features of this DREO portable air conditioner is its incredible coverage range. With an 8,000 BTU capacity, you can enjoy a comfortable cooling zone up to 14 feet away from the unit. That means you can set it up in your living room, bedroom, or even outdoor space and stay cool all day long. But what really sets this apart is its ability to work seamlessly with the built-in fan. This creates an instant cooling effect that's not only refreshing but also incredibly efficient. Plus, the fan's reduced noise level of just 45 dB means you can use it without disturbing others or disrupting your own peace and quiet. Another key advantage of this portable air conditioner is its advanced filter system, which captures dust, pollen, and other airborne particles, ensuring a healthier indoor environment for you and your loved ones. This means less allergens and irritants in the air, making it an excellent choice for people with respiratory issues or asthma. Now, let's talk about one of the most convenient features of this portable air conditioner: its self-evaporation system. Unlike traditional AC units that require constant drainage, DREO's patented technology eliminates excess water automatically, saving you time and hassle. This means you can place it in even the most humid environments without worrying about the need for a drain hose. Just plug it in and let it do its magic. With its eco-friendly design and energy efficiency, this portable air conditioner is not only great for your comfort, but also for the planet. It boasts an Energy Star rating of 3.5, which means it meets strict EPA standards for energy efficiency. Plus, it uses less electricity than many other portable AC units on the market. But what really makes this portable air conditioner stand out is its smart connectivity. With compatibility with Siri, Amazon Alexa, and Google Home, you can control the unit using your voice or monitor temperature and humidity levels through the DREO app. Plus, with 3 functions to customize within each mode: cool, fan, dry, you can tailor your cooling experience to suit any situation. Last but not least, this portable air conditioner boasts an impressive array of controls that let you fine-tune your cooling experience. With various settings to adjust temperature and humidity levels between 61 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, you can create the perfect ambience for relaxation or productivity. Another great feature is its compact design, making it easy to move around your home or office without having to worry about cumbersome cords or bulky units. The sleek and lightweight design also makes it perfect for indoor-outdoor use, allowing you to set up a comfortable cooling zone in your backyard or patio. But don't just take our word for it. Let's look at some real-world benefits. For example, Sarah from Denver used her DREO portable air conditioner to beat the heat during last summer's record-breaking heat wave. She reported that she was able to stay cool and comfortable even when temperatures soared above 100 degrees Fahrenheit, thanks to the unit's impressive cooling power. Or consider John from New York, who uses his portable air conditioner in his home office. He reports that he can focus on work for hours without feeling overheated or distracted, making it an essential tool for his productivity. With its innovative features, advanced technology, and eco-friendly design, this DREO portable air conditioner is the perfect solution for anyone looking to stay cool and comfortable, no matter where they are in their home.